Michelle, do you have anything to add?
Yeah, I just want to add, it is hard, especially because of the area that both Arlene and I live in. So there's been times where I've actually had to hear like domestic disputes going on in my neighborhood. So it's like I can't even really separate work. It's like still outside in my environment.
Yeah. Pablo, do you want to chime in here?
Sure. Well, first, just so everyone has kind of a sense of what we've been doing, the 6 or 7 or so staff attorneys who are doing these consultations are still doing roughly the same amount of consultations that we were doing with, 20 to 30 volunteers per week. Like the amount of consultations we're doing hasn't changed. So we're doing a huge amount of consultations. And I was one of the staff attorneys already who was doing a lot of the in-person consultations myself because I go to outreach a lot. And I can tell you, normally I would say maybe 30% of the people that I talked to were people that were in a really dire or like serious situation, or are coming to me with a really complicated, difficult situation. And now in the last 3 months, it's probably like 90% or more. It's like almost every person I talk to has a really, truly difficult situation on their hands. And that has been kind of difficult to learn how to cope with while working at home.